Okay, good evening student. Today we are going to see the fourth unit, prose, the tight corners. Actually the tight corners is a lesson. It was written by Edward Viral Lucas. Before going to the lesson, just see the author introduction. Okay, now see uh, Edward Viral Lucas 1868-1938 was an English humorist, essayist, playwright, biographer, publisher, poet, novelist, short story writer and editor. Edward Viral Lucas was born in 1868 and he was died in 1938, and he is English humorist. Humorist is nothing, he is a comedy writer and also the essayist and playwright and biographer, publisher, poet, novelist, short story writer and editor. He had so many skill, different kind of skill for the Edward Viral Lucas. born at a Quaker family on the fringes of London, Lucas began work at the age of 16. Apprenticed at a bookseller. He was Edward Viral Lucas was born at the Quaker family. Quaker family is nothing. The family is depending on the Christian. In those days, the Christians people are very few of them, but nowadays the Christian people were very large. So the Quaker family he was born in, and also the Frings on the London. He was born on the Quaker family in London. The Frings is nothing, it's the edge of the London, it's by the side of the London. Lucas began work at the age of 16. Well, he started his work at the time of his age is just for simply 16. He was worked as a apprentice for a bookseller. While he started his work, he worked as a apprentice for a bookseller. After that, he turned his journalism and worked on a local paper in Britain and then a London evening paper. While starting his work, just he was worked his turned to a journalism. So journalism is nothing, it's the newspapers writing, and worked on a local paper. At that time, he worked for the local paper of the Britain, and then the London. He worked in the evening paper. He was commissioned to write a biography of Bernard Batten, the Quaker poet. After that, he asked to write the biography of the Bernard Batten in the Quaker poet. Okay. This led to the further commissions. After that, they asked to write something, include the editing and the works of the Charles Lamb. Lucas joined the staff of the humorist magazine Punch in 1904. After that, he joined in the Punch magazine. It was based on the humorist. It was started in the 1904 and remained there for the rest of his life. After the rest of his life, he was a prolific writer. Prolific writer is nothing, a full writer, most celebrated for his short essays. His works was celebrated for his short essays, but he also produced verses. Verses is nothing, and also he written the poems, novels, and plays. Okay, now see the lesson. Actually, you know what is tight corner. Tight corner is nothing, it is a difficult situation. I'm right, I think is the correct definition for the tight corners. Have some difficulties, it's called the tight corner. Okay, let's see the lesson. The talk was running on the critical situation in which we had found ourselves. So here some people are talking something, but the talking is running on about the critical situation. It means the difficulty situation, which we refers to some person here the author introduced, had found ourselves, those of us whose lives were adventurous enough to comprise any. So all of them they compare their lives in different ways, like everything was in a new way, like called the adventurous. This is the first paragraph. See next one. One man had been caught by the tide in Brittany and escaped by the skin of his teeth. Okay, one person told about his experience. He was caught in the waves in the Britannic beach and escaped with the skin of his teeth. Skin of his teeth is nothing. Is a difficulty situation. He was escaped within a second, like in skin of teeth. Unfortunately, he escaped from that incident while he was caught in the sea tide in the Brittany. Brittany is nothing, is a region here given in the beach side of the Brittany. So another one. So one man is caught in the tide, and another one had been an elephant when a wounded tiger charged at it. So another man told that the difficulty situation. He was sitting on the elephant while that the wounded tiger was chased the elephant. It's called the difficulties like that. The second person told, and the third had been on the top story of a burning house. The third person told that while he was sitting on the top of the roof of the house while the house was burning in the fire, that time he had some difficulties. This is a difficult situation like that. The third person told. So first person is the caught by the tide, and second person is the sitting on the elephant while the tiger was chased the elephant. Then third person is sitting on the roof of the house while the house was burning. So the fourth was terrified in the war. So the fourth person told he was in the war while the war was going to be lost. This is a difficult situation like that. The fourth person recall this difficulty situation. She given the examples to the author. So everything was author listening here. Okay. But you all talk, said one of the company, as though tight corner was always physical affairs. So now the author told that, but all of you are telling that just for simply for a physical affairs, but no one told about this difficult situation about the mental affairs. So you are telling everything was the physical affairs like that, the author told. Surely they can be tighter when they are mental. Compared to the physical tight corner, the physical affairs, the mental affairs has so much of tight comparison. So mental tight corner is the very difficulties. So compared to the physical and mental is most difficult situation like that he told. Then the tightest corner I was ever in was at Christius. So I heard the mental tight corner. It was happened in the Christius. Christius is nothing. Just see this picture. This is called a Christius. Christius is nothing. It's like a church. Some people were gathered there. One person, the actioner, is selling something, some goods in a upward price. It's called this is the place of Christius. Okay, then one person asked, Christius, you are telling the Christius difficult situation, tight corner like that? One person told, yes, I had been lunching rather well at a club in St. James Street with an old friend from abroad and passing along King Street. Afterwards, he persuaded me to look into the sale room. So now the author replied, yes, I am telling about the Christius. Once upon a time, he had been take lunch with his friend, the old friend, in the James Street. The hotel was in the James Street with an old friend from abroad. His friend came from abroad, so both of them planned to take some food in the hotel. That time they both are going to in the James Street, taking the lunch and passing along the King Street. After finishing their lunch, they started their walking on the King Street. Afterwards, he persuaded me. He refers to the author's friend, asked him to look at the sale room. So he simply asked to see the sale room. Then the place was full. It means the sale room was very crowded. The people were crowded in the sale room. So while the author was seeing the sale room, okay, what's happened? Just see here. They were selling baptism pictures and getting tremendous sums for each. 2,000, 3,000 for little bits of things, forest scene, fools at evening, shepherdess, the regular subjects. So the author was seeing the sale room. Actually, the sale room was in the King Street, while they are taking the food in the Saint James Street, because his friend came from the abroad. After finishing the lunch, they are walking up into the through the King Street, while his friend simply asked to him to see the sale room. The author also want to see the sale room. At that time, the sale room was full crowded. While seeing that, they were selling Barbizon pictures. There is nothing. The actioners are selling Barbizon pictures. Barbizon pictures is nothing. It is the natural scene pictures. They are selling the natural scene pictures and getting tremendous sum. Tremendous sum is nothing. It is a huge sum. They are getting some huge sum for each of the pictures. Like they are getting 2,000, 3,000 for little bits of things. It means the picture was very little bit, very small pictures, but they get 2,000, 3,000 for little bit of things. The pictures in the have some scenes like the forest scene. Scene is nothing. That natural scene was displaced in the pictures, and the pools at the evening, and also the evening time how the pools are there. This is a pictures image, and all the shepherdess. Shepherdess is nothing. In Tamil we call the ஆடு மேய்க்கிறவங்க, and the regular subjects, and as usual subjects they are selling in the pictures frame. So each pictures were selling 2,000 and 3,000 a little bits of things. It was very huge. It means the tremendous is nothing, huge sums, huge money. Okay, next see. Nothing went for 3 figures at all. It means it's nothing. 3 figures. Actually, they are getting tremendous sum for each pictures. Even though the picture was very little bit, it means 1,000, 3,000. It means 4 digit. 1,000 is nothing, 4 digit of numbers, and 3,000 means this also for 4th digital. But here nothing went for 3 figures at all. It means no pictures were sold in the sale room below the 1,000 rupees. Below the 1,000 rupees, 999 is the 3 figures. So that's why he are telling negatively, nothing went for 3 figures at all. Well, we watched for a little while, and then I found myself bedding too, just for fun. At that time, we watched is nothing. Author and his friend, simply they are watching the little while for some time, and then the author found himself the bedding too, just for fun. Just simply he also joined that bedding, and simply they are making fun to call the to ask the bedding. And he had exactly 63 pounds in the bank, and not enough securities to borrow 500 on. And here I was nodding is nothing, shaking his head away to the actioner like a blatocrat. Okay, blatocrat is nothing, a fat and rich person, just acting like the rich person for the action, the author. Now see, the author had exactly in his bank, just for saving is just 63 pounds in his bank. So the author have in his hand, not in his hand, his saving is just for 63 pounds in his bank, and don't have any securities to borrow 500. Securities is nothing. While you are getting money from anyone, means they have some securities, like we want to be so, or land, or any worthable properties like that. So the author don't have any securities in him, but he had only 63 pounds. He can't able to get any 500 to any other person. And here the author was simply shaking their head to get the actioner, the involved in the actioner, and a broadcast like a rich person. He just simply has sewing there, but he don't have any much money. He have only 63 pounds. He can't able to get 500 on the any security with him. Okay, see next. You will get caught, my friend said to me. So one time his friend also informed Arthur, definitely you will caught in the difficult situation, don't involve, because you don't have money, simply you have only for 63 pounds, you don't go, not able to get any 500 rupees to anyone because don't have any securities like that. His friend warned the Arthur. No, I shan't. So Arthur simply replied, no, I couldn't involve. Not involve is nothing, I couldn't caught. Like that he told. I said, I'm not going to run any risk. So actually I don't take any risk. Like that he simply replied. Then, and for a long time I didn't. So the betting was going for a long time, and in that betting he simply asked his bed, and he didn't got in the bed. And then a picture was putting off, and a short red faced man in a new top hat, some well known dealer who had bought quite a manner, electrified the room by starting the wedding at a figure a little higher than any that he had get given or that anything had reached. Okay, he didn't get involved, caught in the bedding in the action for a long time, and then a picture was put into sale. There came a one man. The man appears like the short. He was very short, and also his face full frame was in red color face, and man in a new top hat, and also he wear a cap, and some well-known dealer. He seemed to his image. He was a well-known dealer. He was one of the well-known dealer like that. His appearance was showed here. He had bought quite a number. He already bought some pictures. So quite a number is nothing. Just little bit numbers of pictures he got. Then electrified. Electrified is nothing. Shocked the room by starting the bedding at a figure of little higher than any that, and always he got some pictures in a high range, so that the people were while they are standing nearby the actioner, they were very shocked why the person was always starting their bedding a little higher to compare to others. Like that everyone was shocked. He had yet given or anything had reached, but he did not reach it for any bedding, but suddenly a picture was shown there, and the bedding was little bit high to compare to others. Okay, what's happened, just see next. Although the previous lots had run into four figures, they had all been modestly started at 50 guineas or 100 guineas, with a gradual crescendo to which I had often been safely contributing. So before the bedding, it calls the previous lots. So before the bedding had run into a four figures. Four figures means like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, like that it was going on. They had all been modestly started. So it was started just for four fingers, and the 50 guineas or 100 guineas. So it was always started. Starting the price was 50 guineas. 50 guineas is nothing, we called actually is the $1.5. In Indian money we call 105 rupees. Actually it's called the 50 guineas here. So 100 guineas with a gradual crescendo. So the starting they asked for 50 guineas, after they asked 100 guineas. In likewise the gradual crescendo is nothing, increase little by little for little movement. So likewise 50, 100, 150 to 200, like that it was going on, to which I had often been safely contributing. In that case the author also involved in the betting. It was going on a safely he was asking in the bed. But no sooner was a new picture displayed than the dealer made his sensational bid. 4,000 guineas, he said. One picture was displayed the auctioneer to sell that, and the red-faced man, the short person wearing the hat, he simply asked the highest bid of the every pictures compared to other pictures. It was the highest bid. He simply asked for 4,000 guineas. So now he asked the huge money compared to earlier bids. It was the high bid. So see next. There was a wrestle of excitement. So at wrestle of excitement at the end of it, I heard my own voice saying, "And 50." A terrible silence followed, during which the auctioneer looked inquiringly first at the opener and then at the company generally. So there was a rustle of excitement. It means it's nothing. So everyone was excited like a rustle. They are making some murmuring sound also because this is the highest bit comparing to the earlier pictures. So and everyone were very much of excitement. At the end of it, I hear my own voice saying. So now after also always bidding like that, he also just simply asked for more 50 above the 4,000 guineas. He gave some extra money for 450 like that, 4,500 guineas like that. He increased the bid. Now the terrible silence. So already the people were very excited while surrounding the room. They were excited. Now again the author asked 50 guineas extra. Then others were terribly silence followed. No one talk anything. They are shocked everything because why they are asking so much of bed like that. Everyone was shocked. During which the auctioneer looked inquiringly first at the opener. At the time, during that time, the auctioneer is nothing, the seller, looked shocked first at the opener. Surprisingly, inquiringly is nothing, surprisingly. First, he looked at the opener. Opener is nothing, those who are called, asked first of all in the picture. The red faced man asked for 4,000 guineas. He is called the opener. And then at the company generally. After that he saw the company. Why what they are telling like that he watched. Then see next. To my surprise and horror, the red faced dealer gave no sign of life. At that time he got some surprise. My surprise is nothing, the author gets surprised and horror. He had got some fear because the red faced dealer gave no sign of life. It means no sign of life is nothing, it is the idiom. It means not speak a single word of the red faced man because he can't he is not willing to ask above 4,050 guineas. So he was very silent. So now the author got surprised and he was feared. We are going to court like that. He feel himself. Then the author realized now as he thought to have done at first that he had shot his bolt. So he think it was want to be the surprising and also the fear also want to be see at the first and he had shot his bolt. Now he was shocked and did not ask anything. He simply sitting in the sale room. See next. 4,050 guineas offered, said the auctioneer, again searching the room. So while finishing the actioner, the seller, if the picture or if the things are going to be sale means he won for 3 times. The first time he told he had some hammer in his hand because he want to touch the table. This is the first round. I'm going to leave the picture, sell the picture. Those who are interested to ask above 4,500 guineas, you can ask like that. He won. So first time he won 4,050 guineas offered. I'm going to sell this, offer this for 4,050 guineas. If you are anybody willing to ask above 4,300 means 500 means you can ask now like that. He told that the auctioneer told. Again searching the room. Just simply he searching. If anybody is asking like that, he searched the room. My heart stopped. My blood congealed. There was no sound but a curious muttered noise from my friend. At that time, the author's heart was stopped. He can't able to do anything because he have only 650 guineas in his bank. He can't able to get any 500 rupees for he don't have any securities to borrow any money. So like that his heart was stopped. He can't able to um, breathe again. His heart was stopped at that time, and his blood congealed. Congealed is nothing. The blood was frozen like ice. It was stopped. He can't. Is not any active at that time. His heart also stopped. There was no sound, but a curious, smoother noise from my friend. At that time, no one asked anything. They are surprisingly they watching everything. The people were did not make any sound. But a curious, smoothened is nothing. Suppressed noise from my friend. Curiously, a small noise was coming from his friend. He was surprised. He was shocked. He think, so already I won, but my friend did not respond my word, but he caught like that. He was surprised in his mind. Okay, see next one. 4,050 guineas in any advance on 4,050 guineas, and then the hammer fell. So this is the second time. Again the actioner fell the hammer is nothing. Hammer fell is nothing. Beating the hammer. This is the second time. So I am going to be sell the things for 4,050 guineas. Those who are willing to get the picture, you can ask now like that. If you have any advance for 4,050 guineas, you can ask now like that. The actioner told. Okay, student. We will continue the next lessons for next class. Okay, thank you.